Hey guys, it's FuzzPuppyXOX. Sorry I've been doing my videos lately. Sorry about that. I won't be singing again. But I'll be taking a break until, well, it's November, until November 13th, just so you guys know that. I've been resting again. Sorry, it feels like I'm gonna cry right now. It's been really hard for me. But, if you guys watch Solia, Fairy Tail, Full Moon, Sailor Moon, if you guys watch anime, please leave a comment at this video, at the end of this video, or subscribe to me. But if you guys watch this anime called Noragami, if you guys watch that, or any kind of different anime movie that is in a different language, please let me know in a comment, and also subscribe. If you guys know the singer named Jacob Sartorius, if you guys are a friend of a fan of him, also put that in the comment too. So yeah, I'll be done taking. I just start my break today, but I'll be on a break until November 13th, and just so you guys know that. So, long live Fairy Tail.